Hey everyone, I'm going to real quick go through playlist 6 with you guys for this week. So first off, the playlist goals that I have for you guys would be, the first one is that you can find the who, what, where, when, why, and how of an article. The second one goes along with that, but I want you guys by the end of the week to apply the 5 W's and an H to write a summary of the article. And then the last one is that you will know the morphemes for this week. You will be graded on 2 things this week, and they're even down at the bottom of this playlist in red so that you're very aware of them. But I'm going to actually have you guys, I'm going to grade the quiz questions and the summary again this week. And then I'm also going to grade your morpheme quiz number 2 for this week. So those will both be either on Friday or Monday being put in the grade book, but that's what you're working towards this week. So up at the top, we see weekly reminders. Remember, bell work on Mondays is always M&M Google Form, which hopefully you guys already found that. Tuesday through Friday is then reading the library books for 7 minutes. I didn't put that in the actual playlist this week, but you guys just know Monday is the only day that we don't read our library books at the beginning. Another reminder, Thursday is our library day this week. So Monday through Wednesday this week is actually, you guys are going to be, everybody's going to be with me. We're going to read an article together, and I've linked the articles here. So the first article looks like this, if it'll come up. It's about food stamps, and actually what we're going to be talking about this week is a whole different topic. And so we're going to be talking about hunger and poverty a little bit this week as well. So this, going off of that, then what we're going to do together is we're going to read that article. We're going to do thieves. So we're going to pre-read it. We're going to do that strategy. We're going to talk about it together. Then we're going to annotate the text together. You guys are also going to fill out a 5 W's and an H template for this article, just like you guys did last week. And that's going to be on Google Classroom. You are going to go, we're together going to go through the quiz questions together and write the summary together, so that you can see how to actually go through and hopefully get some good strategies to answer those questions, and then also to write the summary. How do you apply those 5 W's and an H to write the summary? Then the very last thing that we'll do all together actually is a morphemes review. So hopefully we can get to this and then you guys can study your morphemes and we can actually have like a quiz review in class. So that'll be pretty fun. So that'll be Monday through Wednesday. Timing might be a little bit off, but I foresee this taking us 3 days. Maybe it'll take us a little shorter than that, and that's all well and good, and we'll just move on then to our Friday and Monday activities. But maybe it takes us all 3 days, and that's okay too. Because again, we're doing it as a class, so as many questions as you guys have, or as much stuff as we need to go through, we'll just keep going through that stuff. Thursday is library day, and then Friday and Monday, this is when you're going to get your second article, and you're basically going to show me that you can take that quiz at the end, and you can write a summary with it. And so you're going to pre-read the article, so do the thieves strategy. I'm not going to have you fill out an actual worksheet on it. I'm just going to have you guys actually go through, look at the title, look at the headings, look at the introduction, look at the pictures, all of that we've done. All of that stuff, believe it or not, is very helpful. And a lot of the times what I've seen is a correlation between that thieves strategy and the questions at the end. I could probably, on any article, at least answer 2 out of the 4 questions based off of just the thieves strategy if I was doing them correctly. So just go through, look at those things before you even start reading. Then you're going to actually read article number 2. And I am going to say that you use reading notes document to take notes, and you can use these on the quiz and summary. So what I mean by that is that you actually look at on Classroom, you can get their classwork for general information, the annotation resources, that it looks like this, the close read, and also the bookmarks for annotation, but really that you go through and you do that. And also just in general, take notes, and then you can use them later. So if you want to use the 5 W's and an H on this, you can totally do that. The other thing that I want you to do kind of goes hand in hand with that actually, is that you annotate the text. So make sure you highlight the 5 W's and an H. So just like I said before, if you need to use that, do that. What I mean by that is I'm not going to have you fill out a worksheet on the 5 W's and an H, but as you go along, highlight the who's. Like if you come across names, highlight them. If you come across where this happened, highlight it, and then make notes in the side. That can only help you later. So the real focus of Article 2 is that you guys do the thieves strategy and then you also annotate that text with keeping in mind that you will have to answer the quiz questions at the end, and you will also have to write a summary of the article. So doing those strategies cannot hurt you. Or using any of the strategies that we go over Monday through Wednesday cannot hurt you either. Then at the end of the week, you guys have 2 things that are going to be graded, those quiz questions, like I said, in the summary, and then also your morpheme quiz number 2. But notice that I said that this is not only going to be on Friday, but also on Monday. So if you don't finish this completely, then you can always finish it up on Monday. And then if you get all the way done with this within this week, here are your may-dos for the week. So a lot of them look similar to what we did last week. So go on here and review these. If you need help with any of them, let me know.